Balang araw gusto ko ibigay ang lahat. Yo, shout out guys, another tutorial, another song tayo, no? So, hit song ni Tony J. Ito yata pinakasikat niyang kanta kung di ako nagkakamali, no? 7-Eleven. So, start tayo agad. 2 parts lang ang mga chords, 2 parts lang. At lahat-lahat 3 parts kasi merong rhyme pattern, no? So, first part, intro versus choruses. Same chords lang guys, no? Pero chords ginamit. Ang mag-iiba lang ay yung parang pre-chorus bagong chorus. So, pakita ko muna, no? So, diretso ng verse, ang intro, diretso ng verse. Balang araw mangunod ko kaya so E, and then F sharp minor. So, second fret lang yan. Dito, okay? Bar, then dito. And then A sus 2. So A, remove tong isa. Okay? So diretso ng verse yan, diretso ng verse. Acoustic version tong tinuturo natin. Ang link sa baba lalagay ko, acoustic version. Pa-play natin na. At the strum pa ito, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Play natin na intro, verses, diretso na. Balang araw na down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So repeat lang, no? Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Up, down, down. And then pre-chorus, bagong chorus, pre-chorus. So after that, pre-chorus, pakita ko muna ang chords. Pero ako, di ba rin ako. So E, pero, so hold, no? May hold ng E. Pero ako, then A sus 2, hold rin. So, first 2 chords, E at A sus 2, and then balik ng dati. Na 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 ko. So, twice repeat. Sa screen naman. Na 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 na. So, repeat ano? Na 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 na. And then, yan ang pre-chorus. Twice lang. Screen. Then balik yung sinabi ko, ulitin lang chords hanggang matapos. Gusto kong chorus, gusto kong ibigay ang lahat ng gusto mo. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, down. So, chorus, ay repeat lang yung kayo na. Gusto kong ibigay. And then, balik ng verse. Na 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 na. So, repeat lang. Then, repeat ang pre-chorus. Pero, yung mag-hold. Ako. Oh, inana. Twice pala. Repeat lang, repeat. Ako. Then, chorus chords. Repeat lang. Gusto kong ibigay ang lahat ng gusto mo. Gusto kong ibigay. Pati yung papapara yan pa rin yung chords ganyan, no? Chorus lang ang kopyahin, no? Sa yung yung may ganyan na lyrics chorus hanggang matapos ang kanta. Gusto ko, repeat lang chorus. Repeat lang ang chorus chords. Pati yung lyrics, chorus chords ang ginamit. So yan na lahat guys. Madali lang naman, 2 parts lang, no? Yung iba lang yung pre-chorus. Pero halos lahat pero ang chords, no? At acoustic version ito, ang link na sa description ng video na ito. Dito muna tutorial. See you sa next upload guys. 2 parts lang, bye bye.